If your YouTube application is disabled on your Android phone, here's how you can re-enable it. This often occurs when the app has been disabled in your phone settings or restricted by system settings. So first of all, you need to enable YouTube in settings. The app might be simply disabled. So open your settings and scroll all the way down and go to apps. From here, you need to simply go ahead and search for YouTube application. And once you find it, tap on it. And if the app is disabled, there you'll get the option of enable. Go ahead and tap on enable. And after enabling, the YouTube app should now reappear on your phone. And sometimes the enable button only appears after you update the app. So go ahead, open the Google Play Store on your phone, then simply search for YouTube application. And if you see an update button instead of open, go ahead and tap on it to update it to its latest and newest version available. Also try clearing the YouTube's cache. If the app appears disabled or isn't responding, clear its cache. Go to storage and then click on clear cache. You can also try clearing the data, but this will remove all the files, settings, accounts, and databases. So you need to be very careful regarding that. And if restrictions are enabled, YouTube might be blocked. So open digital well-being and check app timers or focus mode and remove any restrictions on YouTube. Then after reinstall updates, if YouTube still won't enable, you need to go ahead and open settings and then search for YouTube and tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select uninstall updates. Then update your YouTube again from the Google Play Store. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.